Okay. Ang ginawa ko, pati yung magkanong itataya mo, linagay ko na dyan, ha? Linagay ko na dito. Okay, so assuming your portfolio is 1 million. Now, if your portfolio is 100,000, 50,000, bahala na kayo mag-adjust. Okay? So, why do we use a VAR of 1%? What is this VAR? You're managing that risk. Meaning, if you have 1 million or if you have 100,000, ang exposure mo, 1,000 lang. No? Di ba? Bakit natin ginagawa yan? When you're starting to trade, it's like you want to be a pilot. How do you learn to become a good pilot? Ano dapat gawin mo? Do you need training or not? Huh? No. Do you need to be in a simulator? Di ba? Right? Do you get it? Pwede ba yung magta-trade, bukas pipindutin mo na, pilot ka na? Pwede ba yun? Yun ang problema sa stock market. Pag pindot mo, trader na ako. And then, it's so easy for you to become a trader. But you don't understand. It takes us years to understand how to be a consistent, how to be a good pilot. Ganun lang yan. Di ba? Ang biggest problem ng tao is that, bumili ka na. Ang gusto ng tao, this was, Brother Boat asked me one thing. Diba? Turo kami long-term investment, turo kami yung turo. So, one day, nandun kami sa Indonesia, nagtuturo kami. Sabi ni Brother Bo, Brother, bro, ang hirap kumita ng pera. Sabi, bakit? Nakakapagod. Diba, turo tayo ng turo, hindi naman nakikinig. Pero in worst scenario, ganito lang. Bumili ka na ng now, bibili ka na eh. Oh, di ba? Nakano mo? Di get it? Meaning, sabihin ko na sa'yo anong bilhin. Bibilin mo na eh. Tuturuan pa kita kung paano gawin. Naku, mag-isip pa ba ako dito? Magsa-stock market pa ba ako dito? Sabihin ko na lang. That's why all these promoter, all these nag-hype ng stock market, di ba? May fan base sila. People just wants to be fooled by these people. That's the problem. Right? But you don't understand that it is not a sustainable business. It's what we call wicked learning. Akala mo, meron ka natutunan. My God, you win once. Kumita ka, happy ka. Win twice, happy ka rin. Win the third time, happy ka ba? Happy. All in, all in, all in, all in, hanggang sa huli. All in din, patay. Isang ganun, patay na lahat. And that's the reason why 97% loses money. Because you don't know what you're doing. So what we did this afternoon is to show you that for every million pesos, especially in the US, we only give them 1% bar. Para pag nagkamali ka, 1% lang. You have to lose 99 times. But this is, nagpa-practice ka pa eh. Diba? You're trading. Can you imagine? You can put 10,000, pwede ka na mag-trade ng stock market. Diba? You need to know the rules. If can be, kung maliit lang ang portfolio mo, it can be 2%. 2%. That means 50% wrong, you're still okay. It can be 3%. Kung lumiliit ang pera mo, it can be 3%. Kailangan consistent lang. When you're buying something, it has to be all at 1% or all at 2%, all at 3%. That's it lang. So in other words, if you're buying here and your cut loss is here, di ba? Yung 1 million mo, 85,000 lang naka-expose ka eh. Pag nagkamali ka, maliit lang. You got it? 1% bar lang. Ang talo mo, 10,000 pesos lang. So if you increase it to 2%, that means total risk allocated is 20,000. Then you divide. And you can see. Maybe 170,000 na yung exposure mo. So it's only 17% of the total 1 million. Di ba? So you can be wrong and still survive. Because if you put more money in, then it's called discretionary, hindi systematic. You get it? You need to understand that. May rules yan. So kami, since I have 50 traders, 1% lang sila. Kung gagawin sila ng 2%, 3%, personal nila. Pag sa kumpanya, 1%. We watch them like a hawk. Binabantay na namin, natatalo pa eh. It's really true. And you will see those numbers. You will see those numbers. You got this, Okay na?
You've been mentioning stops.
Yes.
If I buy something at 100 and say 1% VAR. No? So stop would be at 99.
Ah. Again, the 1% bar is from here to here. Right? This is 10%. This is 5%. Your bar is totally 1% of this whole 5% move. Again.
1% of the movement.
1% of this. This is a 5% move, right? But its value amount. The value amount, let's say you're willing to lose 10,000 pesos lang, di ba?
Yes.
Wala dito. So, meaning, this whole move is 5%. 5% yan, di ba? 5% yan. Or 6%. But you're only willing to lose 10,000 pesos, di ba? So, if you buy it here, this is on 10,000 pesos lang yung exposure mo. It's not 1% of the amount of the price. Because this price is 6%. Again. When you buy the next day, let's say if you have 1 million pesos portfolio, 1% ang bar mo, which is 10,000 pesos. Alright?
Exposure.
So exposure mo 10,000. So in other words, if this stock went down and hit your stop, you only lose 10,000. But that move is 6% move.
Okay. Now, how do you place the stop?
No.
Hold?
You have to watch it. You have to watch it.
You have to watch.
In the US, you can put a sell stop. Wala.
Meron, di ba?
Philippines, wala.